The Food Service Exchange presents.
The following preventative maintenance checks will help keep Hoshizaki KM Series cubers dependable and serviceable for many years. Clean the removable air filter. Service the water filter and check the water valve screen. Visually inspect for loose wires, oil spots, water drips, etc. Clean the exterior with a soft cloth and neutral cleaner. Clean and sanitize the water system and bin. Annual cleaning and sanitizing of the water system is recommended. More frequent cleaning may be required depending on local water conditions. Cleaning the water system is an easy procedure with the KM Cuber. The complete cleaning instructions are listed on the reverse side of the front panel. First, drain the reservoir by removing the standpipe on M models or drain plug on S series models. Mix the cleaning solution according to directions on the panel and then pour it into the reservoir. Hoshizaki recommends Hoshizaki Scale Away or Economics Labs Lime Away. However, the durable stainless steel evaporator plate will not be harmed by any commercial ice machine cleaner. Set the control switch to wash and turn the evaporator cleaning valve to the open or wash position. With these controls set, the pump circulates cleaner inside and outside of the evaporator plates. Since the inside pass does not collect heavy mineral deposits, allow the cleaner to circulate through the cleaning valve for about 5 minutes. Then turn the cleaning valve back to the horizontal position. This allows all the cleaner to flow on the outside of the plates where more cleaning is needed. Once the flat surface is clean, pull the distributor tubes out 3/8 of an inch to allow cleaner to flow down the evaporator ribs. When cleaning is completed, flush the water system thoroughly with clean, fresh water. Turn the control switch to the ice position. The ice maker will restart in the normal sequence of operation. This same procedure should be used to sanitize the water system. Mix a commercial ice machine sanitizer as per directions on the panel, or a 5¼ % sodium hypochlorite solution. Circulate this solution for 5 to 10 minutes over the evaporator surface and ribs. Flush the solution from the machine with clean, fresh water before restarting the ice maker. We hope this video has helped you better understand the basic sequence of operation and checkout procedure for Hoshizaki KM Cubers. Call our toll-free hotline for further information on KM Cubers or other Hoshizaki products. Remember, the name Hoshizaki stands for dependable and serviceable ice makers, designed with the service technician in mind.